Good morning, children. Welcome to the another class of English Literature, Chapter 8, A Trip to Mars, Part 1. Children, in this chapter, we will study about an astronaut named Captain Gina. She is the captain of a spacecraft which flies into outer space, and also we will study how she travels to the planet Mars and what she does over there. Now let's learn in details. Chapter 8, A Trip to Mars, Part 1. Children, before we start with this story, I would like to tell you some important facts about the planet Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war, referred to as the Red Planet. Children, now let's discuss some new words which will help you understand this chapter better. First one, astronaut. A person trained to travel in outer space in a spacecraft. Next, spacecraft, a special and powerful vehicle that carries people into outer space. Next, outer space, the space that is beyond the earth. Next, planet, a large round object in space that revolves round the sun. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mars, the fourth planet from the sun. Next, scientists, people who know a lot about science. Next, explore, travel to a new place to learn about it. Next, discussion, a conversation about something important with someone. Next, robot, a machine used to do work that is normally done by a person. It is usually controlled by a computer. Now, chapter 8, A Trip to Mars. This story is about an astronaut named Captain Gina. She is the captain of a spacecraft which flies into outer space. Here we will read how she travels to the planet Mars alone and what she does over there. Means, children, in these lines we are going to study how did she, means Captain Gina, travel to the planet Mars, and she is the captain of a spacecraft which flies into outer space, and how she travels to the planet Mars alone. Okay, this was the intro of the story. Captain Gina had gone into outer space several times in a spacecraft with other astronauts and scientists. But this time it was different. This time she was going to fly a spacecraft to Mars alone. She wanted to explore it and see and know a lot of different things about the planet. She also wanted to collect rocks and soil from there and bring them back to Earth for the scientists to study them. After a lot of discussion with other astronauts and scientists, Captain Gina set off on her journey to Mars a few days later. In this paragraph, children, we come to know that now several times Captain Gina had gone to the outer space alone with other astronauts and scientists. But this time it was different. She was going to travel to Mars, and that to how children? All alone. Nobody was going to accompany her. She wanted to explore about different things about the planet, and she also wanted to collect different kinds of rocks and soil from there, and she wanted to bring to the planet earth where she was living, and she wanted to bring why children for the other scientists to study about the planet Mars. After a lot of discussion and planning, she finally, who? Captain Gina, she started her journey to the planet Mars. Okay, children, understood? Now come to the next paragraph. A small robot called Curio accompanied her on her trip to help her on Mars. As she moved further into space, Captain Gina watched the Earth getting smaller and smaller. She noticed the stars in the sky and thought about the planets that go around the sun. Means children. So, who accompanied with Captain Gina on her trip? Yes, robot. And she moved further into space. And what did Captain Gina notice? She noticed that the stars in the sky and the earth is getting smaller and smaller. Now come to the next paragraph. After many days, the spacecraft finally reached Mars. It took a long time for them to reach Mars since it was so far from the Earth. Okay, children, in this paragraph, we come to know that so why did she take a long time to reach Mars? Because Mars is not close it. It is very far from the Earth. Children, till here we end. In the next video, I will be catching you up with the same story. That would be part 2 of chapter 8, A Trip to Mars.